Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive. This is a complete, or you can see the semi-complete tutorial of Google Drive. I will show you, I will teach you that main point of Google Drive, how you can use the Google Drive, how you can upload files from Google Drive, how do you can play videos in Google Drive without download. Okay, what is the exact use of Google Drive? Okay, many people upload photos, videos on Google Drive, which is not good because Google Drive only for files and documents. Google has another service like Google Photos for videos and photos. Okay, that is like backup service of Google Drive. You can get anytime your photos and video from Google Photo. Okay, so initially we're going to start. We're going to talk about the Google Drive. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So this is a simply Google Drive. You have to log in first in your Google account. Okay, go to the Google account and Gmail account and just log in your account. And now you have to go in this three dot and just come to, it's bring you to Google Drive. Okay, this is my Google Drive account. You can see Google, every Google Drive give you the 50 GB, 50 GB space for you. Google Drive is like memory card for you. Okay, every phone, Android phone or iOS phone has some memories like ROM. Okay, so many Android phone ROM like 64 GB, 34 GB, and RAM is 3 GB, 2 GB. RAM is a different part for the processor. Google Drive is the software like ROM. So Google Drive is a memory space for you. It is you can say it is cloud based memory for you, so you can use anytime, anywhere, from any device. Okay, so you can see there is a 15 GB. Google Drive give you the 15 GB free, and after that you have to buy storage from Google Drive. So this is 15 GB will use for your Gmail account. Okay, and your Google account, Gmail account, and Google Drive account, and any others like calendar and all. Photos has different memories. Okay, uh let's see, photos has different memory or what. So if you go in your photos, I have to verify first. Let's see, I'm able to verify or not. I just not remember this password. Okay, so when you go in Google Photo, so you can see there also show the 15 GB, and here also show the 15 GB and 72 GB used, and here you can also see the 72.6 GB used. So these memory for your all services like YouTube is a no, the 15 GB not for YouTube. What 15 GB for expect, I think YouTube, yeah, definitely, because in YouTube you can upload many videos. It is not, it is not related to your this GB. So this memory only used for your Gmail account, your Google Drive account, Google Photo account. Okay, so first we have to talk about Google Drive. So Google Drive is only available for your files like Excel files, okay, your PDF files, any other files. You can create forms from here, online form from here, online. You can create Excel sheet, docs, sliding forms. The forms play a very important role in Google Drive because many people use forms to collect data from your website or any other places. So form is a very important, play the very important role. How you can create forms, how you can collect data from creating forms from Google Drive. So I will show you in another video. Just subscribe my channel and you can ask me on my comments, so I can create another video. So you can search on YouTube also, there is a many video you can search. Okay, so this is a form, and there is if you go in many, you can drawing map site. This is add-on, just ignore it. Okay, add-on me, you can add from here many software like which is usable to you. Okay, when you, if you don't able to play video in Google Drive, you need to download first to play video in Google Drive. So you can add the one add-on like uh, just add like video audio player. You can see, so this add-on I just added. If I click on my video, so you can see it is not it's played because I just add this add-on and just download it, that's why it's played. Okay, you have to click on this add-on, and it will be bring you the next page, and you have to you can now then you can play this video in Google Drive anytime. Okay, So guys, Google Drive is simply you can store like PDF, Excel file, your documents only. If you want to store your photos and videos, you can use Google Photo. Okay, this is a different service Google provide you. And here you can create folders. If you have create folders, just like test folder. Okay, so folder will be open here. Okay, this is folder. You have to double click and enter into folder. So you can see this is Google Drive, then the test folder, and now we are into my folder. So you can add the items in folder, like you can simply drag down from, you can drag from your computer, like if I drag it. Okay, so it will be add this folder. Okay, you can see this. If I go into home and open the test folder, you can see this file add in this folder. Now if you want to share this file, you just click on right click here and just get the shareable link. Okay, so you will have this shareable link. Okay, you can restrict the view, only people add can people add it, can people can open this link. Okay, you have to add people from here. Okay, you have to click here and enter the people email id and add it. Edit, you have to give permission like only viewers or commenter or auditor. If I give permission like only viewers, just okay. Now I have to send it. Okay, if I send it, this file will be go on this person. And there is another option, restricted. You can change the with links. Okay, okay, now you have to there is a anyone with this link. If you click on this and copy this link, and you can share on WhatsApp, in Messenger. Then anyone who click on this link will open your, you can have who able to open this file. Okay, so just copy the link and send on WhatsApp, email ID, on from email, you can do this. Okay, now you can do the same process for any files like videos, your books, sorry, your Excel file, your PDF file. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can upload. Just click on it. You can upload file from here, file upload, and just you can find your file from Google Drive and just upload it. It will be MP3, MP4, but don't upload MP4, MP3 because photos, because you can upload in photos, Google Photos. You can see this is upload, or simply you can drag down files like from here to Google Drive. If you want to drag down in folder, just open the folder and drag down. Otherwise, just hold your file on folder. So it show like drop your file instant folder items. Okay, update existing. So this is duplicate file, so it's error. So that keep separate or update existing, and just update existing, because before we update same file in this folder. Okay, you can search for next how you can search in Google Drive. Just go in search. Here you can search only PDF file. Okay, you can search only photos and image. You can search any files from here. Like you only want to search in spreadsheet, you can only spreadsheet, you can search spreadsheet only. So if you right click on any files, you will have many options, like you can preview files, you can share files, you can move files to another folder, you can delete files, you can download files, you can rename files. Okay, this is the same option every file has. Okay, so here if you click on this share with me, this file, here you will see the files, the peoples who share with you. So guys, there in this option you can see the files who others share with you. Okay, so how you can share file to others, I just show you. You can put the email ID and you can share. So this is trash folder. If you delete file from here like Google Drive, if I delete this file, okay, remove, it will be moved to trash. If you go into trash, it will be have. If you want to delete permanently, you can just right click and delete forever. So it will be delete forever from your device. You can't come get back it again. So here there is a many option. You can create folders. I just show you. Okay, in Google Drive you can create files, Excel, upload folders, files, and anything. Okay, So I hope you like this video. Thank you for